Hello everyone, so today I bought PULSE Explore earbuds. Now this is a pretty little box, but let's see what's inside it. But first we're gonna look at the box itself as always. So here's the right side of the box with the bottle number and what's inside the box for each in each language, okay? And this is the front and this is the left side. So it has PlayStation Link, USB in it, and it can also connect with Bluetooth on mobile. So it's not PlayStation exclusive. It's not PlayStation exclusive. And here's the back of the box, and so here's what we'll get. What's inside the box, and here's the bottom. So as you can see, here's the seal, which is broken, and I had to look up on the internet to see how to open this box, because opening this box is messy, and I've been told in the comments that my unboxing is a bit rough and annoying because I don't know how to unbox things. So I opened this off camera first to see how to open this, and now I can confidently, hopefully, open it on camera. And here's the bottom of the box, as you can see. So here's the UK version. Now we're gonna open this. So first I'm gonna have to press, keep it straight, and then open this. Okay, so it was successful. I mean, I think it was successful. Here's the top of the box. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. So okay, so just can't find out more. Okay, so here is the box itself. Now, this is a basically overview card we have for this, with the instructions and everything, right? And what we will find inside the box, right? Okay, so we got our device here. Now, let me just take it out. Okay, all right. So here's the device. Let me just pull it out like that. It's a clean little box, right? It has slide cover. Okay. It's a bit stiff, So I have to slide it like that. And here's the earbuds. Main thing, earbuds with the tips attached. And yeah, it's a pretty cool earbuds, I think. Quality is pretty good, I think, yeah. So here's the charging pins for each earbud, and here's the PS Link button. And we also have PS Link button on each of these earbuds, okay? I thought it's gonna need one button to just attach with both of them, but no, each earbud has its own PS Link button. Now this is the shell in which we saw the box of this earbuds was in, and inside the box we have a charging cable. It's a pretty big charging cable, So let me just show you guys. It's a pretty big charging cable compared to what we get with other PlayStation devices. Okay, PlayStation accessories, I must say. Okay, so, and here you have a little box here as well. Oh, sorry. So with this we have PS Link USB. So PS Link USB that we can use with the PlayStation, and we have the tips for the earbuds. So they gave us multiple size, 3 sizes actually. They gave us 3 sizes for tips, and let's just put it aside. PS Link USB, and then at the end we have. Let's see what we have. So we have at the end is it's a statement of compliance. That's new. I haven't seen it. Okay, some sort of agreement. I don't know. terms and condition. Probably I'll have to read those. And again, we have another paper at the end. Let me just take it out. It's a booklet, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna take this whole cover out, and okay, so we got 2 booklets. So yeah, it's a paper. Again, it's not a booklet as you know, as in common sense. It's not a booklet. It's just a instruction manual in languages. And then again, this is different one. This is the instruction manual as well, I think. I don't know, probably. Okay, so again, it's not a booklet. It's just a very big paper. Not gonna open it. And that's it. We have that's all the stuff we have in the box. And I'm gonna test it and see how we can how it will, you know, work, how they work, and how they sound, most importantly. And that's it for this video. If you guys like it, please let me know, and please let me know what I need to unbox next. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.